Each time I have a message on my Samsung Galaxy phone, I have this message bubble or SMS bubble comes up on my Samsung phone, and I can easily read the message from the home screen just like this. Then I can check other messages just like this that I have in my inbox. So if I click other messages, this is going to come up. You can see I'm having this bubble showing other messages on my Samsung Galaxy phone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set this bubble on your Samsung Galaxy phone and how to make your Samsung phone messages pops on the home screen. So if you download this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to enable bubble messages on Samsung Galaxy phone, all you need to do is open the messages application, click on the profile icon at the top right, this, click on message settings. Once you click on that, then scroll through this information page and locate the message bubble. You say, I have this bubble here, click on bubbles. Then you see I have under messages, I've selected bubbles for all my messages. I can choose selected only or none. So if I set none, this bubble will be disabled automatically on my Samsung phone. You can set that. Then even if I have any message, the bubble will stop coming up anytime I have messages. But to enable this bubble, what I need to do is come down to the message settings after you click on the profile icon and click on bubbles. Once selected bubbles, click on all. Then there you go, hit the back button. Now, each time you have any message in your Samsung Galaxy phone, the bubble will come up anywhere around your phone screen to show you that you have a new message. So this is how to enable message bubbles on Samsung Galaxy phone. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.